Hey friends, if you wish to check your graphics card on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video now. There are two aspects to the graphics card. One is the static one and one is the dynamic one. I'll show both of them. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Now expand the list of display adapters. You'll find the first one here. Right, this one is AMD Radeon graphics, and this tells what it is. The second one is the external graphics card, which is NVIDIA RTX GeForce RTX 3050 Ti. So this is the second one, and we have checked both of these graphics card. We can also update them. Now, this was the static part. For the dynamic part, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. Now, go to this tab here, the Performance tab. The last two options here are the GPU. So the first one is the GPU for the RTX graphics card, and it shows the percentage of GPU utilization, and it also shows the GPU temperature. And the second one is the AMD Radeon graphics card. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.